The last thing I wanted to show you in this video is to show you how easy the lathe is to put away. We'll remove the tailstock, put the top idler up, loosen the keyless, remove the shaft, put the universal drive back in the keyless, compress the length of the frame, put the operator guide. I like to keep the tools on the toolbar and then turn it back around the way that I ship it to you. This wasn't my idea. This little idea on how to hold the tools was a customer of mine. I thought it was great. I used to ship the tools in a box. We're going to take everything else and put it back into the clear toolkit here so that it's always where you left it for the next time you're going to use the lathe. All the little goodies back. Lamp down. Power cords. Zip the bag up. Add the shoulder strap and you are ready to go. Don't forget, I've got 6 or 7 other videos that show me using the machine and manufacturing different parts of the machine. Thanks for watching.